NIST CSF assessments with SAMMY. Go to sammy.codific.com. Sign into your account and go to Manage Scopes and identify the scope for which you want to do a NIST CSF assessment. Let's say we want to do this for Business Unit 2, for which I see we already have a Cyber Fundamentals assessment and a BSIMM assessment. Now let's, for this scope, do a NIST CSF Assess 2.0 assessment. All right, this has been added, and if I press play here, I'm switching to this assessment. If I now click on my assessment here, I will by default land on the quick view. I will have the different questions here, and I can provide the answers where relevant. Or you can say this framework is also possible to be not applicable, so that's an option here. And I can provide remarks and recommendations around the different practices. On the top you can see your progress bar, how much of the framework you have filled out. And if you go to the detailed view, you have a one-page view of each one of the practices, and then you will have a opportunity to add documentation or link controls here. You also have a timeline of everything that happened on this activity in the past. As you fill this out, the reporting tab gets populated, and you will see the state of the different activities, the progress over time, both in the past and projected if you have roadmaps going forward, and any gaps to a target posture you may have set. You can find out more about target postures on this channel. Search for target postures. My name is Dag Flachet. I'm here to help you. Let me know if you have any questions.